Final video. It is now 5:55. The Uconnect computer still believes it is 4:29. Notice that nothing works. Here is me trying to change it to media. No response. Asking it to go to controls. No response. Asking it to go to climate. No response. Navigation. No reaction. I hung up with my sister an hour ago. Here I am. I'll just push on phone just for fun. Nothing. I will ask it for recent calls. Nothing. Dial. Nothing. Phone book. Nothing. End. Nothing. Hold. Nothing. Do not disturb. Mute. Transfer. Nothing works. It says it is 4:29, and again, it is 5:56. The computer's been frozen for over an hour. At least this time I had music.